They looked like us. They hunted like us. They survived for hundreds of thousands of years. Then they vanished. For generations. They were portrayed as primitive cavemen. But the evidence tells a very different story. For more than 300,000 years, Neanderthals survived conditions that would challenge most humans today. They were not merely surviving, they were thriving. Then scientists made a remarkable discovery. Neanderthals did not simply disappear. Part of them still survives inside us. The story was supposed to end here, yet traces of Neanderthal DNA still exist in millions of people today. So did they truly disappear, or did they become part of us? Then, around 45,000 years ago, a new human species entered their world. Us. For years, one theory dominated the debate. Did modern humans drive Neanderthals toward extinction? The truth, however, may be far more complex. If a war wiped them out, archaeologists expected to find the evidence. Instead, they found surprisingly little. Then researchers identified another suspect. The climate itself was changing, and the world Neanderthals had mastered was beginning to disappear. But there was a problem with the climate theory. Neanderthals had already survived dramatic climate changes for hundreds of thousands of years. So why did this time end differently? Today, many researchers believe the answer was not one catastrophe. It was a combination of pressures happening at the same time. Climate change, competition, and shrinking population. Another problem was emerging. By the end, Neanderthal populations may have become dangerously small, and small populations are vulnerable to extinction. Then researchers proposed another possibility. Perhaps Neanderthals did not completely disappear. Perhaps many simply became part of a growing human population. Then came the breakthrough. DNA analysis revealed that Neanderthals were not completely lost to history. Millions of people alive today still carry Neanderthal ancestry. For decades, history told us Neanderthals vanished. But part of their story still survives within us. So did they truly go extinct, or did they become part of humanity's future? Most researchers agree. There was no single cause. Climate change, competition, and declining populations. Some Neanderthals became part of us. Perhaps the biggest mistake we made was believing Neanderthals were primitive. The evidence shows something very different. They were intelligent, adaptable, and remarkably human. The Neanderthals are gone. But their story is not. In many ways, it became part of ours. Neanderthals were not alone. Other human species once shared our world. How many stories have we already lost? The Neanderthals disappeared, but they were never truly erased. Part of their story still lives within us. Some species vanish, some leave traces behind, and some become part of us.